Welcome to Al-Islah National Academy, the best foundation for great future.
Hello students. So today I'm going to start the maths class chapter number 2, that is polynomials. So you can see on your screen that what is polynomials? An expression containing variables, constant and any arithmetic operation is called polynomial. That means any expression which will contain variables, constant and any arithmetic operation. So any expression, if it is contain three things, that expression we can call it as polynomial. Next we'll see that from where this word came, that is polynomial comes, here you can see on your screen I am marking, polynomial comes from poly, and you can see poly meaning many, means more than one, and nomial in the case meaning is term. That means poly means many and nomial means term, that is many terms. So it says many terms. So now we'll see the examples. You can see on your screen, let me mark. So here you can see one expression is there, that is 4x square plus 3x minus 5. So this whole one we can call as terms, or we can call as expression. Okay, this whole terms, this whole, that 4xy square plus 3x minus 5, this whole one we can call as one term, or we can call as expression. Okay, next you can see from this that 4, you can see on your screen that 4 we can call as coefficient. Instead of 4 you will get 5, 6, 7, 8. So any digit before variable. Next one you can see x. So any digit before variable we can consider it as coefficient of that variable, and here our variable is x. So that one keep in your mind that before variable, if any digit is there, that one we can call as constant of that variable. Okay, next move to that minus. That minus we can consider it as operator. Operator, we know that minus, plus, that is division, addition, subtraction, that all we can call as operator. Next again, just now I have said that any digit we can consider it as our constant. So here you can see 7 is our constant, 5 is our constant, that equal to we can consider it as our operator. Okay, so next we'll move to our that power. As we got in class 8 that any power of that term, that one we can call as exponent or index, or we can call as power. So here in that term, here one term is there, that one you can see one expression is there, 5x square minus 3x plus 5y minus 3. So full one we can call as one expression. In that expression you can see that 2 is there, then 3 is there. So that one we can call as our exponent, or we can call as our power of that term, that, or we can call as the degree of that term. Okay, next we will move to our next slide, that means next image. So next here you can see types of the polynomial. Now we'll see the types of the polynomial. That means how many types are there in our polynomial. So first one is our constant polynomial. Second one is our linear polynomial. Third one is our quadratic polynomial, and at last fourth one is our cubic polynomial. Okay, now we'll see what is constant polynomial. Constant polynomial is that polynomial which degree is 0, that means which power is 0. Okay, later we'll see the example. Linear polynomial is that polynomial that whose degree is 1, that means which power is 1, or you can call as the exponent is 1. Quadratic polynomial is that polynomial which degree is 2, and cubic polynomial is that polynomial which degree is 3. Okay, next we'll see the example. Next you can see here one example we have, that means 2 equal to 2x to the power 0. So here you can see on your screen, let me zoom so you can see properly. Okay, so here you can see 2x to the power 0, that means this term exponent is our 0, so we can consider it as this one is our constant polynomial. In next expression you can see degree is our 1, that is x plus 2, that means x to the power 1, y to the power 1, nothing means we can consider it as 1. 3u to the power 1 plus 4, so that one we can call as, that whole one we can call as linear polynomial. If you move to the quadratic polynomial, here you can see the example, that is 2x square plus 5. So that one degree is, you can see on your screen, that one degree is 2. That means we can call as quadratic polynomial. One more example you can see, x square plus 2 by 7x. So that one also degree we have 2. One more example you can see on your screen, that one also 5x square plus 2x plus pi. 5x square degree is our 2. If you move to the next, that is our last cubic polynomial. In cubic polynomial you can see here we have one term, that is 8x cube. So in 8x cube we have that degree 3. If our degree is 3, then that term we can call as cubic polynomial. Okay, in second example also you can see that degree is our 3. Third example also you can see our degree is 3. So again let me repeat. So any term, if it have 0 degree, then we can consider it as this one is our constant polynomial. If any term degree is our 1, then we can call as linear polynomial, and if any term degree is our 2, then we can call as quadratic polynomial. At last, if any term degree is our 3, that means that term we can call as, that expression we can call as quadratic, that means cubic polynomial. Okay, so next we'll move to our next slide. Okay, so let's see that what is there in our next slide. So here you can see on your screen, here you can see on your screen that polynomial classification. Now we'll see the classification of polynomial. Okay, so first here you can see the two columns is there. In first column I have given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this name given. That means if any term, just now in previous slide I have explained that if any term having degree 0, then we can call as that one is our constant polynomial. If any term having degree 1, then we can call as that one is our linear polynomial. If any term having degree 2, that one we can call as quadratic polynomial. If any term having degree 3, that one we can call as cubic polynomial. So in last slide we have got up to 3. Now if any term having degree 4, then we can call as quartic polynomial, not quadratic, quartic polynomial. If any term having degree 5, then we can call as quintic polynomial. Okay. Next we'll move to the terms. Now if any expression having only one terms, later I'll explain you that what is the terms. That means in any example, if 2x plus 3x square, that means in that expression 2 terms we have. Now if in any expression we have only one terms, that one we can call as monomial. That means only one term. Mono means one. If any expression having 2 terms, that expression we can call as binomial. Bi means 2. If any expression having 3 terms, that one we call as trinomial. Tri means 3. That one keep in your mind. Mono means 1, bi means 2, tri means 3. And if any expression having 4, that means or more than 4, we can call as polynomial of 4 terms. If 5, then polynomial of 5 terms. That one we can call. Next we'll move to the next slide. Okay, so here we'll see the examples. Here we'll see the examples of that particular monomial, binomial, trinomial, as well as our polynomial. So let's see. So first you can see monomial. So in monomial we know that any expression, any algebraic expression containing only one term. So here you can see the examples that in first example, that means only 2 is there, that means only one term. Okay, in next example you can see only x square is there, that means only one term. Okay, in next example again you see minus 3x, that means only one term. Here we will not see any degree or something else. So here 3 is our constant and x is our variable. Okay, so next we'll move to our binomial. We know that binomial means 2, that any expression containing 2 terms. So here you see the example. First example is our x plus 2, that means one term is our x and second term is our 2. Again I am repeating, here we have 2 terms. First term is our x and second term is our 2. Now next move to second example, that is x square minus xy. So here x square is our first term and xy is our second term. Okay, so in x square we have degree 2. So that one we can consider as that one. If we have degree 2, that one we can call as, you can see in our earlier slide, we can, if degree 2, that one we can call as linear polynomial. Okay, so next we'll move to our trinomial. Trinomial means if any expression containing 3 terms at a time. So let's see the example. First example you can see on your screen. I am selecting that x square plus x plus root 2. First term is our x square, one term. Second term is our x, that is our second term, and root 2 is our third terms. Okay, so here that one you can identify this one is our constant polynomial or linear polynomial or quadratic polynomial, because this one containing degree 2, that means we can call as, that one is our, that one we can call as quadratic polynomial. If any term containing degree 2, that one we can call as quadratic polynomial. Okay, so next let's see one more example, that is x cube minus x square minus x. That is, x cube is our one term, x square is our second term, and x is our third term. At last we will move to our polynomial. What is polynomial? We know that any expression containing one or more than one terms. If it will take one term, then also we can call polynomial. If it will take more than one terms, we can call as polynomial. Note, exponent of variable cannot be negative and fraction. So that exponent cannot be negative as well as fraction. So here let's see the example, that if first example is the root 11x, here only one term, that one also we can call as polynomial. Second example, you can see in second example this one have two terms. First term is our x square, second term is our 2y. That one also we can consider as our polynomial. Third one, you can see this one also taking three terms. First term is our x cube plus 2x cube, second term is our 2xy, and third term is our 3y. That one also we can call as polynomial, or you can call as trinomial also. So at last you can see one more examples we have, that is x square plus x cube plus x plus 1. So that one we can call as polynomials containing four terms, and here you can see the degree. So how we can identify that which one we will consider, because here 1 degree is 2, 1 degree is 3. So which term containing highest degree, that one will consider. So here highest degree is our 3, that is x to the power 3. So let's see, if degree 3, then we can call as cubic polynomial. Okay, that one keep in your mind. Any term you will get in exercise, you will get the question that find out the degree of that expression. So first you check which term containing the highest degree. So here you can see that x cube, that means x is taking the containing the highest degree, that is 3. So that one we can call as cubic, that one we can call as cubic polynomial. Okay, now next we'll move to our next slide. So here we'll see some more examples. You can see on your screen. So this class is for both class 9 and 10. For class 10 it's revision, because already you got in class 9. So here you can see some more examples. First expression you can see 10 to the power, okay, let me select the box. Okay, so here you can see 10 to the power 10x to the power 5, so the 10x to the power 3 plus 4x square plus x minus 4. Now here earlier I said that which terms containing the highest degree, that name will call. That means here highest degree is our 3, that means we can call it that one degree is 3, that means x to the power 3. And here number of terms is 4. First term is our, let me select, first term is our, you can see on the screen, I am selecting 10x to the power 3, that is our first term. Second term is our 4x square, that is our second term. Third term is our x, that is our third term, and fourth term is our 4, that is our fourth term. That means number of terms is 4. So we can call as that one is our cubic polynomial. That one we can call as our cubic polynomial. Okay. Cubic means for that degree, and polynomial we know that any expression containing 4 terms, that one we can call as polynomial. Let's move to our second example. So here you can see on your screen, that is 2 in bracket, you can see t cube plus t equal to, if we multiply t into t cube, then we will get t to the power 4 plus t into t is t square. So we'll consider that final term. You can see on your screen. So here degree is our 4. Why? Because that one is the highest degree. Okay, and number of term is only 2. One term is t to the power 4 and one term is t square. That means number of term is 2. So for 4 we can call as quartic, and for 2 terms we can call as binomial. That means quartic binomial. That expression name we can call as quartic binomial expression. Okay, so third one you can see here only one term we have, and no variable means no degree. That means we can call as constant, and number of terms is 1. So for degree 0 we can call as constant, and for number of 1 terms we can call as monomial. Monomial means 1, that is constant. So same examples, this one. Next, last one also you can see, let me explain you. So here how many terms? First, you in any expression, first you see the degree. So here highest degree is 4. You can see on your screen, highest degree is 4. That means in one term highest degree is x to the power 3, y to the power 4. And according to our exponent, if we multiply these two, 4 plus 3, so we'll get 7. We'll get 7 is our highest degree in one term. So number of terms is 6. First is our that one, second is our 2x square y, third term is our xy, fourth term is our x, fifth term is our y, and sixth term is our 4. That means we have number of terms is 6. So we can call as polynomial of degree 7. Okay, that one we can call as polynomial of degree 7. So last term also same like that. You can see, you can check. Okay, so this all about for our today's session. In next session I'll solve some problem from exercise. So hope you have understood. If any confusion you can ask in WhatsApp, via WhatsApp. Okay, so stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon for latest update.